Hello everyone, welcome back with me Kunchadiana Olivia from SMK Negeri 1 Lumabang. Well, this time I want to present another material titled VLAN Trunking Protocol. So the material we were going to learn this time first about what is VTP or VLAN Trunking Protocol, then configuration topology VTP, problem and solving revision number, and lastly, discussing VTP practice question. Um, so first, we will learn about VTP or VLAN trunking protocol. For example, let's say we have 9 switches, guys, and then each switch must have 200 VLANs. But if we configure them one by one, meaning each switch needs to have 200 VLANs manually entered, that will be very tiring, right? That's why we use VTP. There are two commonly used type of VTP, which are server and client. So server and client are the ones most frequently used in VTP. But it's really tiring. Then there is also one called transparent, but this one is rarely used because this one is rarely used. The most frequently used are one server and client. So let's assume this switch is the server while the other are clients. So later we only need to enter the 200 VLANs on the server side, and the others will automatically follow. So the others don't need to have those 200 VLANs manually entered. We just need to fill it on the server. On the server, and the others acting as clients will just follow along. Okay guys, next we'll try to practice VTP in Cisco Packet Tracer. So I have prepared 5 switches here, and their ports are already connected. Now let's try trunking them first. From this switch, let's okay. So from this switch, let's interface uh, to switch port down, exit, and for this one, there are 2 ports, 1 and 2. So we type it interface range and oh, interface range enter, and then switch port mode trunk, and do the same for the 2 others. And for the last one, just interface fa1, just one support model trunk. Okay, once it's done, then alright, once it's done, now it's let's just click this fast forward, and now let's try to configure TTP right away, starting from this switch. Next, let's try to set up VLANs on the server, guys. Let's create VLAN 2, yeah, and name it A, set, and VLAN 3 name B, exit. Now let's do show VLAN brief. Okay, as you can see, there already VLAN 2 and VLAN 3, and let's check right away on the client side. Let's check it. Type do show brief. Enter. Look at that. Just type look at that. It automatically appears here on the client without us needing to configure the VLAN on the client side because we already configured the server. Let's also check the other client to show brief. It's the same, guys. They are already there. Now let's check the transparent one. Okay, see, there is nothing here because the transparent switch stands on its own, so it doesn't follow the server. Okay, let's check for the other server. Show brief. Okay, yeah, it's there. Now, let's deleting a VLAN. For example, let's delete it here. Uh, enter. Okay, we are already in a mode and type no VLAN 3. Enter. Let's check it. See, as you can see, guys, VLAN 3 is also gone because the VLAN 3 is gone. Yeah. Let's check the other one. If yeah, as you can see, guys, the VLAN 3 is also gone in the client switch because it follows the server. Let's check for the other one to show brief. Oh, wait, it's still here for some reason, and let's check this one too. Brief. Oh, it's the same, is still here. And yeah, it's the same for these two. For some reason, they are still present. So this one is the server. And we are already in global configuration mode. So we type TTP model server, enter. Okay, and then let's it's and then we already in a server. Then we type TTP domain. Let's name it ID, enter. Okay, then lastly we type TTP password 123, enter. Alright, once it's done, yeah, now for this one too. Okay, this is a client, so it acts as a client. Yeah, this one FTP model client, enter. Alright, and FTP domain id com, enter, and then FTP password 123, enter. And okay, once it's done, let's move to the other switch, which is it's still client. So TP model client, and then TP domain colon ID. Okay. Oh, I forgot. And lastly, VTP password 123. Okay, it's done. Now, for this one, we will make it transparent. So, VTP model transparent, enter, and VTP domain ID com, enter, and then lastly VTP password 123, enter. And for the last one is server. VTP model server, enter, VTP domain com, enter, VTP password 123. Okay, it's done. Next, we will discuss the configuration version number problem. So let's say this is building 1 and there is a switch coming from building 2, which is a used switch from their previous setup, and it's about to be added to building 1. Okay, we can check first here by typing do show VTP status, enter. As you can see, there is something called configuration reversion. It means we have performed configuration reversion 5 times. Let's try to configure this one first. Okay, let's say to configure this one first. TP we use server, enter, and VTP domain colon, and lastly VTP password 123. Okay, once done, yeah, next we want to increase the configuration number, the revision configuration. Let's just create random VLANs here. Mm, oh. Okay, I think it's enough. Let's exit and check it. Do show VTP status. Okay, it's already 12. Okay, now let's try to connect it from here to here, and don't forget to trunk it too. So interface and show the trunk. Okay, it's done. Interface to switch model trunk. Okay, it's done. Now that is connected, let's try clicking here and exit first. Do show VTP. Do show brief. Okay. Look at that, guys. The configs we previously entered the specific VLANs from the usage switch from the other building have overwritten and entered building 1. That would be very dangerous, especially since our the intention was just to add this switch to building 1. So we'll follow building 1 setups. That's why you really need to be careful when adding a second-hand switch like this. Okay, now why did building 1 end up following the second-hand switch from the other building? That is because its configuration reversion numbers was higher. This one is higher than building 1. Yeah, so that made the building 1 follow the newly added switch. Now let's try to disconnecting this port. Yeah, then change. Okay, then change this switch to no one. Oh, oh, I didn't fix it yet. Sorry. One. Let's try. Okay. Two. No. Three. No. Four. Alright, now let's check the VTP status to show VTP status. Configuration revision, it's now 10. Okay, now let's. Oh, wait. Now let's change this to transparent first. Maybe we just type VTP VTP mode transparent. Enter and VTP domain sekolahan id.com. Enter, and lastly VTP password 123. Enter. Okay, now since the configuration revision was 10, which is higher, we have to increase the configuration revision on this side. So let's try it here to show by do show VTP status. Yeah, the configuration revision is 7, which is slower. We have to increase it. Let's just. Okay, so I already increased the configuration revision to 13 by adding VLAN, which is higher than this one. Okay, now just let's connect it again. Right. Okay. Let's do show and brief. Yeah, it's still the same because it won't follow, yeah, of course, because it's in transparent mode. And then let's check this one. To show and brief. Ooh, look at that. So the VLANs are successfully applied here. So, that's the thing, guys. If we want to add usage switch that have been utilized before as a server, we must pay attention to their configuration revision, guys. Don't let the second-hand switch have a higher configuration revision compared to the existing switch in building 1. Alright guys, here is an example problem for VTP. Let's work on it. So first of all, let's set up the PTP via CLI. Let's enter the global configuration mode. Then we type PTP model server. Enter and PTP domain LAN ID con, and then lastly PTP password 123. Enter. Alright, done. For the rest of them, since this one is the server, the rest will be clients, so that the VLANs will be automatically applied later. Okay, straight up to PTP model client. PTP client. Alright guys, now let's enter the VLAN into the server only. Let's, um, 20, 30, 40, 70. Okay, let's check it to show one brief. It's already at 17. Let's check on the client to show one brief. Oh, to show brief. Oh, what? Oh, wait. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I haven't drunk yet. Okay. Don't forget to drunk first. I forgot. I'm sorry. So, for this one interface, 1, 2, 3, range, 3, and for this side is interface. 11, switchboard model trunk, then switchboard model trunk, and lastly, oh, sorry, interface. Switchboard model trunk. Okay, now let's check the client. Do show VLAN brief. See, they're applied now. Done, guys. Let's check the for the side too. Exit show brief. Okay, and for this side, okay, it's successful. Now let's try to implement VLAN routing. So we will assign these VLANs to their respective ports. Let's enter in exit first. Okay, let's enter interface range. FA this one. This one is, I believe, FA1 up to 2. Okay, let's just interface. Oh, sorry, range. And then switchboard model access, and then switchboard access, 10. Okay. Yeah, we do the same for the other VLANs. Okay guys, I have already assigned all the VLANs to their respective ports. Now let's move on to the router sections. Okay. And first go to interface and no short. Okay, exit, and we continue to 0.10 because VLAN 10. Okay, and then encapsulation dot 1q 10, and we add the IP address. The address is 10.10.10.1 and 0. Okay, alright. Yeah, it's done. Let's move on to VLAN 20. Mm, Now that it's done, let's configure the IP DHCP pool, starting with VLAN 10. So, B, then, oh, oh yes, this one. Sorry. And default router, it's one. And lastly, the DNS server is 8888. So let's continue to VLAN 20 up to VLAN 70. Now let's check the DHCP status starting from VLAN 10. Let's see. Okay, it's failed. We can try again. Oh wait, have I drunk this? Hold on. I forgot to drunk the FA4. Okay, it should be done. Let's see. Still failed. We can check the other one. Okay, wait, still failed. Been used. Okay, let's try for the other VLANs. Okay, for VLAN 40 it's successful. Let's see VLAN 20. Okay, it's successful. How about VLAN 50? successful. VLAN 30. Successful. And let's try again. Failed. Okay, it's all successful except for VLAN 10. I don't know why. Let's check the configuration first. This is, I don't know, it's okay. I think it should be successful. I'll take it as a successful because it's only VLAN 10. Okay, guys. So unfortunately, the VLAN 10X is now successful. So now I have configured the IP addresses for all these PCs via DHCP. Now let's try to ping. Yeah, to see the result clearly, let's test a long distance connection from PC1 to PC3. See, it failed at first. It's okay, we can try again. Yeah, it's successful. Now let's try from PC0 to let's say PC80. It's successful now. Okay, so I guess that's all for today's material discussion. I do apologize for any shortcomings. See you guys. Bye.